Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in two different colors and the crochet hook in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I will chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now through the fourth chain from the hook I'll make 23 double crochets. We need 24 double crochets, but this 3 chain already counts as 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Now to finish row 1, right here through this third chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So now I'll insert my hook right here through this first double crochet chain, then through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now through the second chain from the hook I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next 5 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I'll skip 1 chain and through the second chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Now I'll chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the second chain from the hook I'll make 1 single crochet. Through his next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Through his next 5 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'll skip 1 chain and through the second chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the second chain from the hook I'll make 1 single crochet. Then through his next 5 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I'll skip 1 chain and through the second chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then through a second chain from the hook I'll make 1 single crochet. Through his next 5 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I'll skip 1 chain and through a second chain I'll make 1 double crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout this row. So now that I made this last petal right here through this third chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn.